being wary of roadworks, of other hazards coming towards us. I'm still towards the left, I can see ahead. There's no cars coming. There is a car coming, so I'm just slowing down. I'm not sure where this car is going, so I'm going on the defensive. It was safer for me to do this, and I've got enough space in front of me, at least a car's length. I'm checking my mirrors, middle right, and I'm moving out with my steering wheel. So I've turned about 3/4 of the wheel, and I'm turning it back now. So turn the wheel first, then move forward. Or whilst you're moving forward slowly, you're turning the wheel. I'm staying to my right because I can't see around that corner. I'm just slowing down, just moving my body forward a little bit, or my head. Still in a 20 zone, and I'm coming back into my left, checking my mirrors, moving to the left. I can't see ahead, I'm just taking it nice and easy, checking my mirrors, middle right, moving back out. And I'm just staying out here. I can see a car moving. So it looks like there will be no cars coming because this red car will block the other cars coming up this road, but I am taking it cautiously. Do be wary here.